K for key. K for kiwi. K for king. K for kitten. K for kick. K for kite. K for knee. K for knife. K for kettle. K for kitchen. K for keyboard. K for kangaroo.